Hi guys, here we are going to remove the background of our photo. That thing have been completed. Now I have to choose that 3:2 for the pictures. So guys, after choosing that ratio, I would go on that background to put any kind of a beautiful and an awesome background on the image. Thanks for